In this next question, we'll look at comparing renting versus buying and the associated costs. For this example, we have the Mancini family. They currently rent a home for $1,150 per month, plus $2,800 per year in related rental expenses. If they were to buy a similar home, they would pay $128,000, $20,000 of which represents the value of the land that the home was built on. In order to accomplish buying the home, they would need to withdraw money from their savings account, and they would lose the $1,120 per year that they earn in interest. Other costs that they would have is that they would have mortgage interest of $8,200, depreciation of 1.8% of the home's value, maintenance and repairs for $2,780, insurance for $480, and property taxes for $3,050. However, they also know that they would save $2,400 per year on income taxes. First, we want to find the total net cost of owning their home. So what we'll do first is we will find their total costs and then subtract any of their savings. So first they have depreciation at 1.8% of the home's value. Now that doesn't include the lot, so we have to subtract the value of the lot from the total cost of their mortgage. And that gives us the value of just the home, which would be $108,000. And their home will depreciate at 1.8%. So as a decimal, that's 0.018 times the value of just the home. And their depreciation costs are $1,944. Next, we'll add that to all of their other costs. That would include the $1,120 for their interest that they lose on withdrawing the money for their down payment from their savings account, the $8,200 per year for mortgage interest, the $2,780 per year for their maintenance, their $480 for insurance, and the $3,050 for their property taxes. But then we have to subtract out the $2,400 that they'll save each year on income taxes. So that works out to a net cost of $15,174. That's our answer for part A. Now for part B, we want to find out how much money they'll save overall during their first year if they buy a home versus rent one. So we have to figure out the total cost of renting the home and then subtract the value we just found, which was the cost of owning the home. I'm running out of space here, so I'm going to erase what we've done so far. I'm just going to remember this value here because we'll need that in part B. So for part B, first we need to find the total cost of renting the home. They rent the home for 12 months per year at $1,150 per month. So that's a total cost of $16,600 per year to rent. And in part A, we figured out that the cost for owning the home for a year would be $15,174. So if we subtract that from the cost of renting the home for a year, that gives us their total annual savings, which would be $1,426.